Hey, welcome back to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben. Today, making brisket. So let's trim this brisket up. Pull this fat right off here. You see it almost wants to separate just by pulling on it. See, this is all fat right here. Save the fat, we'll use that in hamburger. Anything loose, that's gonna burn. I'm gonna keep about 1/4 inch of fat on there. So now we'll use some yellow mustard as a binder. Don't need a lot, just a little bit. You will not taste this, trust me, after 12, 14 hours on the smoker. You will not taste that. Today we're using some chub rub. Because I'm using a Weber and not a pellet grill, I will be smoking this fat side up. The reason I do that on the pellet grills is because all the heat comes from the bottom. Now we'll get the Weber fired up and get that on there while this sweats out. Alright, got the Weber set up. Jealous Devil charcoal. I got a 2x2 method with some hickory chunks on there. I do have a water pan. We're going to put this on with the fatty end closest to the heat first. Scrunch this up a little bit. Then we will let this go. I got it like 325 right now. I'm gonna cut it back. I always like to put them on hot at first. The vent over the meat. And we'll check on it in about an hour. It's been an hour. Let's take a look. Keeping it around 275 degrees. It looks good. Pretty tender. Starting to dry out a little bit here, so I'll shoot that with I got apple cider vinegar and Worcestershire mix. Here's another tip for you too, something I do. Over your hot coals, take some of your fat, the hard fat that you're not going to be able to cook down. Take some of the fat that you've trimmed off, place it right over there like that. That smells so good. It's gonna drive the neighbors crazy, but something I do. And let me shoot this with apple cider vinegar and let it sit for another hour. My water bottle with apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire and water mix. Well, it's been 2 hours. It's time to check it. We might rotate it depending on how the charcoal's doing. And now it's time to put our beef tallow on. So we, of course, sell Chicago Packing Wagyu beef tallow. Put that in an aluminum pan. Let's check on it. It's been running about 250. This is looking pretty good. Put our tallow here. And we will shoot this again with some more Worcestershire, apple cider vinegar, water mix.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello, babies.
I put my airplane right there.
You put your airplane right there? You want to be on the camera? Say hi. You gonna show me your airplane? It's right there. We will I'll probably leave this for another hour, then I might rotate it. Once the coals are about right here, so. Starting a little crispy here. It looks good. We will probably rotate this now. It's hot. Shoot it a little bit. It's been 5 hours. It's been at 250 degrees. Let's have a look. Got a little pulling there. 163, 75, 76, 60. It's looking good. 175. It's time to wrap it. I'm going to do the foil boat, chud style. Woo, it's hot. Put it back on here. Let it go for another couple hours. All right, it's been just at 12 hours. That's how she's looking. It's pretty butterish. So we will use that. Yeah, I'm gonna say this is done. It's time to wrap this. Let it rest overnight. Got it in the bag. Now we'll just pour some of this tallow that we made on top. Don't need a lot. That looks awesome. Slice this off. Look at that. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah. Oh, the richness. That is so good. All on the Weber 22. It's crazy. This thing's so versatile. There you have it. That's a brisket on the Weber 22. Did a snake method 2x2, jealous devil charcoal, big briquettes. Worked excellent for this. Put a water pan in there, Took about 12 hours. Then I vacuum sealed it with some of the Wagyu beef tallow. Put that into the water bath at 140 degrees for about another 12 hours or so. And took it out and sliced it. Perfect. Excellent. So if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. We got other videos coming out. You can watch our past videos. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, of course YouTube. All right, see ya. I get this ready for dinner. I end up eating this whole thing myself. I'll be like 300 fucking pounds.